RES Luxury Group of eXp Realty offers this beautifully updated home in the Sugar Mill Woods golf community of Homosassa, Florida. Step through the front door onto the shining travertine tile floors that reflect the sparkles of the crisp pool beyond. The sounds of nature complement the soft waterfall feature on the pool and the tranquility of the greenbelt beyond. The split floor plan affords you optimal function with 3 bedrooms plus a spacious den or office. The owner's suite has 2 walk-in closets, 2 sinks, a shower with travertine tile, and a jetted tub. The home was fully updated in 2008 with a new roof, super gutters, 2 skylights, and the beautiful 18-inch travertine flooring, new insulation, and new electrical wiring. The HVAC was replaced in 2019, a new pool pump done in 2020, and a new pool screen in 2021. The 3-car garage has attic stairs leading into an 8-by-16-foot storage area. The landscape yard has auto sprinklers for ease of upkeep. All this nestled in a great community with beautiful surroundings, amenities, and a low annual HOA fee. You'll lavish the quiet lifestyle in addition to a quick commute to Tampa and Orlando for area attractions. This home is ready for you, so come and secure the lifestyle you deserve.